In this video, I'll show you how to connect Instagram to N8N so you can automate your social media workflows seamlessly. Start by adding a Facebook trigger node to your workflow. Even though it's labeled Facebook, it works for Instagram because Instagram is integrated with Facebook's developer tools. Set the node's object to Instagram, ensuring that trigger only responds to Instagram related events. Then select the app ID linked to your credentials. These credentials authenticate your account with Instagram through N8N. Next, decide which events you want N8N to monitor. You can use an asterisk to capture all Instagram events or set specific filters if you want to track only new posts, engagement, or user interactions. And that's it. Your Instagram is now connected to N8N, letting you automate posts, monitor engagement, and streamline your social media workflow.